Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One day, some of the children of Bani Hashim gathered together and started discussing one of the verses of Quran with each other, when suddenly a blind man who had been walking with his stick walked nearby them. When he listened to these children's words, he came forward and said, "May my father be sacrificed on you. Which family are you from?" One of them answered, "We are from Bani Hashim. Can we help you in any way? Do you want us to guide you?" When the old man saw the morality and ethics of the children, he said, "O the children of the Prophet's progeny, is there Muhammad, son of Zainul Abidin, among you?" A child came forward and said, "I am Muhammad, the son of Ali Zainul Abidin. Uncle, do you need any help from me? Our house is nearby. You're welcome to come and rest there." The old man wiped tears from his eyes and said, "O my child, come close to me, so that I can convey you the greetings of your grandfather, the Prophet of God. Come near me, O son of the pious." The child extended his steps to that weak person and came near him. That person took the child in his arms and started saying, "O my child, I am Jabir bin Abdullah Ansari. I am one of the companions of your grandfather. One day your grandfather, messenger of God, told me, 'O Jabir, your age will be so long that you will have the opportunity to see Muhammad, the son of Zainul Abidin. And if you meet him, then deliver my greetings to him. He will be your Imam, and people will know him by the name of Baqir. He would be the breaker of knowledge.'" When the child heard this, he started smiling. "May God's blessing be upon you, my grandfather, messenger of God." And the other children of Bani Hashim who were standing there watched the scene and saw how Jabir took the Imam in his arms and talked to him kindly and gently.